I'm Ace, your tutor at UScore Academy. Let's learn fast division tricks together, step by step. Dividing by 5 the slow way takes ages, so let's flip it around. 5 is half of 10, so dividing by 5 is the same as multiplying by 2, and then dividing by 10. Take 240, double it to 480, then drop a 0 to get 48. The same trick works for 25, which is 1/4 of 100. So dividing by 25 means multiplying by 4 and then dividing by 100. Take 350. 4 times that is 1400, then drop 2 zeros to get 14. Let's do one together. 320 divided by 5. First, double it. 320 times 2 is 640. Then drop a 0, 64. To check, multiply back 64 times 5 really is 320. Now you try. 75 divided by 25. Multiply by 4. 75 times 4 is 300. Then drop 2 zeros to get 3. Check it. 3 times 25 is 75. Nice work. So here's the whole trick. To divide by 5, double and drop a 0. To divide by 25, times 4 and drop 2 zeros. Say these until they feel automatic, and always check by multiplying back. Most of these problems will take you under 5 seconds. Great work! Keep practicing with Ace at uscoreacademy.com for free lessons, worked examples, and practice.